Fine. The last time when we met, we were discussing about the natural vibrations, the what is the meaning of natural vibrations and how does it takes place जो याद होए तो एक definition है आई थी like the periodic vibrations of a body in the absence of any external force on it are called the natural vibrations. કોઈ પણ object ને initial vibrations જે હોય that are known as natural vibrations or even free vibrations, and the frequency is known as its natural frequency, and the time period is known as its natural time period or natural period simply. Then there were a few examples that we discussed and a few formulas, a few relations that we have to remember. And what are the different factors the frequency depends on? Also the nature of natural vibrations. Last આપણે ત્યાં ખતમ કર્યું હતું. What is the nature of natural vibrations, right? Like the amplitude remains constant, the frequency remains constant, but all this happens in an ideal condition only. Okay, where the resistive forces are not acting, જ્યાં resistance જેવું કંઈ હોય જ નહીં. At that point of time, natural vibration can occur. But in reality, in practical, we cannot have natural vibrations because resistive force generally you can just if you start thinking about, first one is the gravitational force, then the second is air resistance, then third is આપણે જ્યાં rigid support tie કર્યું હોય, for example a pendulum, the string where the rigid support is tied with, ત્યાં resistance થતું હોય. So there are many forces acting on a single body, so we cannot have natural vibrations in actual practice. So we have what is called damped vibrations. Okay, we do not have natural vibrations, we have damped vibrations. The last time when we met, I did show you a graph. This is the graph of a natural vibration, the amplitude remaining the same, amplitude always remains the same, but in actually if we look at a graph, so if we look at a graph, the amplitude slowly goes on decreasing until it becomes zero. So the graph, if you observe, it would look like this. This is a graph of actual damped oscillations or damped vibrations. Okay, ધીરે ધીરે એમ્પ્લિટ્યુડ ઘટતું જાય. હિંચકો તમને કીધું હતું લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ જો યાદ હોય તો, એક વખત તમે હિંચકા ઝૂલાવો પછી કંઈ એની મેળે હાઈલાઇટ ન રાખે, એ ઊભો રહી જાય. તમે પગ પલોઠી મારીને બેસી જાઓ હિંચકા ઉપર એક વખત ચાલુ કરીને તો પછી એ બંધ થઈ જાય હિંચકો. Okay, so that is damped oscillations or damped vibrations. It cannot continue forever, but natural vibrations can. They can continue forever with the same amplitude. Okay, so this is not possible in actually. But what if we want to keep this amplitude constant in case of damped vibrations? મારે damped vibrations માં જ એના amplitude constant રાખવા જ છે, તો મારે હિંચકો બંધ નથી થવા દેવો. એક વખત ચાલુ કર્યો તો હવે મારે હિંચકો બંધ નથી થવા દેવો, તો હું શું કરીશ? ઘડી પગથી એને ધક્કા મારી રાખીશ, રાઈટ? હું બારેથી એને ફોર્સ લગાડીશ. ફોર્સ કેવો હશે? external force will be applied on what? On damped objects or damped oscillator. જે damped oscillation કરતું હોય એની ઉપર તમે ફોર્સ લગાડશો તો શું થશે? That is known as forced vibrations. Okay, first we learned the concept about natural vibrations, like what are natural vibrations, what is natural frequency. Then natural vibration એક ideal concept છે. Actually we have damped vibrations. Damped vibrations ધીરે ખતમ થતા જાય, તો એને કન્ટિન્યુ રાખવા હોય, if we want to keep it constant amplitude, constant એનું મોશન થઈ રાખવું હોય તો શું કરવું પડે? તો કે એક્સટર્નલ ફોર્સ એપ્લાય કરવો પડે. એક્સટર્નલ ફોર્સ એપ્લાય કરો ને એટલે એની ફ્રીક્વન્સી ચેન્જ થઈ જાય, એનો એમ્પ્લિટ્યુડ ચેન્જ થઈ જાય. Then those kind of vibrations are now known as forced vibrations. Okay, when you apply force on the damped oscillations going on, for example our swing, હિંચકામાં જ for example તમે force કોઈ પણ એપ્લાય કરો છો external, or in case pendulum, then on applying external force with different frequency, right? એક હતી natural frequency when the object started, for example our pendulum, when it started તો એની એક નેચરલ ફ્રીક્વન્સી હતી પહેલાં, ઓકે, નેચરલ ફ્રીક્વન્સીથી વાઇબ્રેટ થતું હતું. then suddenly it got damped, oscillated and ધીરે 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 ઊભું રહેવા માંડ્યું. but we applied a certain force on it and it got forced vibrations. then the frequency will also change. કાં તો ફ્રીક્વન્સી વધે અને કાં તો ફ્રીક્વન્સી ઘટે, બે વસ્તુ થાય. when you apply force on any object, external force is applied on an object, then either the amplitude will change, but how? Either it will increase or it will decrease. It depends on two factors. Okay, ક્યારે વધશે અને ક્યારે ઘટશે એનું amplitude, that depends on two factors. Now what are those? The frequency. What are those two factors? The frequency of the external force. And resonance in today's session.